Good evening. Two Calgary parents charged in the overdose death of their daughter have been found not guilty of manslaughter.
Instead, the parents are convicted of a lesser charge. Lisa Guerin and Jonathan Hope were charged with manslaughter, but instead are convicted of failing to provide necessities of life. 16-month-old Summer Hope died in her sleep after drinking methadone. Her father, Jonathan, was taking the drug to treat an addiction to painkillers. He admitted in court that he'd spit some of his daily dose into a coffee cup and took that cup home. In handing down his decision, Justice Earl Wilson ruled the parents were not aware of how lethal even a small amount of the drug could be. He also ruled there was not enough evidence to prove the parents were criminally responsible.
I think the lack of credibility that was given to the key Crown witness, you heard the Justice's comments that she just wasn't believable in relation to that matter, was believed in relation to a phone call because that came from Mr. Hope and was corroborated through phone records, etc. So at the end of the day, the Crown just didn't prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt for criminal negligence causing death and for manslaughter.
I would be lying if I said I was completely happy with it, but like I said, we will review it. We don't win or lose cases. We let justice be done.
Sneha Kulkarni is still at the courthouse tonight. And Sneha, can you tell us what kind of sentence could come with this conviction of the lesser charge?
Sure, Barb. This conviction can carry a sentence of up to 5 years in prison, and the Crown says it will be seeking significant jail time. However, Lisa Guerin's lawyer tells me that his client has already served a significant amount of time in remand, and if she is given credit for that time, she's served close to 2 years. So he'll be asking for his client's release. So it is quite a broad range from what the Crown and the defense is looking for. There's also mixed reaction on this verdict. I spoke to Jonathan Hope's family, and they were very relieved to see that he was acquitted on those more serious charges. But Summer Hope's godfather says the verdict is simply disturbing.
I find that not guilty on criminal negligence is a little ludicrous to me. I think that a 15-month-old girl doesn't have a chance to grow up directly because of the negligence of her parents.
Now, sentencing arguments in this case will begin next Friday, and until then, we're told that both Lisa Guerin and Jonathan Hope will remain in custody.
Okay, thanks, Sneha.